In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Airtable and ClickUp using Zapier. We'll start on the Airtable side. Open your Airtable workspace and go into the base you want to connect. In this example, it's an untitled base with a table we'll be syncing from. The idea is that this base will hold the data you want to send to ClickUp, like tasks, projects, or records. Make sure you're in the right base and table before you move on, so you don't accidentally connect the wrong data. Next, head over to Zapier. In your Zapier account, go to the section called App Connections. This is where you manage all the apps that Zapier is allowed to talk to on your behalf. Once you're there, look for the Apps tab. This view shows you everything that's already connected, and it's also where you'll add new connections. Now click on Add Connection. You may see this button in more than one place on the page, but they do the same thing, so just choose the one you see. Zapier will open a search area where you can choose which app you want to connect. Click into the search field and start typing the name of the first app you want to connect, which is Airtable. As you type, you'll see Airtable appear in the list. Click on Airtable, then click on Add Connection again. This tells Zapier you're ready to authorize Airtable. A new window will open from Airtable asking what Zapier should be allowed to access. Click on the option to add a base, then choose the base you opened earlier, the untitled base. Once that's selected, click Grant Access. This securely connects that specific base to Zapier so automations can use it. When Airtable is connected, go back to the Apps area in Zapier and click Add Connection again to set up ClickUp. Use the search field, type in ClickUp, and select it from the list. Click Add Connection to start the authorization process for ClickUp. You'll see a ClickUp window asking which workspace you want to connect. Choose the workspace you use for your tasks and projects, then click Connect Workspace. This gives Zapier permission to create or update tasks in that ClickUp workspace based on what happens in Airtable. At this point, both Airtable and ClickUp are connected in App Connections. You're now ready to build zaps that move information between your Airtable base and your ClickUp workspace automatically.